Hey kids, I'm Sniffles the Clown, okay? Today, we're gonna talk about having a good attitude, alright? Because everyone needs a good attitude, right? Sure. The first thing we're gonna talk about is having a positive greeting for people, alright? So, when someone says, hey kid, how's your day going? You know, you don't, well, it's frowned upon saying, I'm okay, life could be better, And this book really wants people to say, I'm fantastic. You could say I'm fabulous. I mean, people can't tell, And then they might try and guess, and then you're gonna get offended, and then get them in trouble because you're like a huge pussy. But the point is tell people how you want to feel. So if they say how are you, say I'm fantastic. Because if you say that, I mean the book, apparently if you say it more and more and more, that's eventually how you're gonna feel. If you believe in that stuff. But anyways, so that's a tip. I really only read one chapter because I didn't think I would get this far. So just go be positive. It's good. All right.